Welcome to our 5th lesson. As you can see on the thumbnail, today the difficulty phase changed from auto to easy. That means that today we will beat first easy level. Here is the level. It's called ReTraY. The ID is on the screen at the bottom. It's 6508283. So let's start. I will use practice mode in order to show sections of the level faster. First, you have to jump over 2 spikes and 2 gaps. After that, you should jump into ship portal and you can just hold. Then there's some simple flying. In the UFO section, you can jump synchronized to the music. Then in the ball section, there's just one single click. And you have to wait. Then there's some harder flying ship section. And last but not least, the wave. Should go up and down one time, up and down second time, and up and down third time. After that you just wait, and all the way to the end is completely auto. Now some advices. You can click very late on the first spike. It allows you to wait and hold for a very long time. After that you have to do one click and release. Then, in the UFO section, you click synchronize to the music and you can stay on the platforms. In the ball section there's just one click. And in ship section you can hit the bottom and the top. It makes the level very easier. Assignment before the next lesson is to beat ReTraY. Good luck!